everyone, this is Anita C. I start off this room tour from the reception area because there are more information that I would like to let you know. So actually we are now in Queenstown in New Zealand. Okay, so we actually drove from Lake Taupo to Queenstown. Actually we do some hiking around the Kia Point, which I'm going to show you the itinerary, which has the Mount Cook as the backdrop, and then went to the Salmon Place for lunch, and then took a couple of hours. We arrived after 6 p.m. okay, and that's why I want to let you know more information. Anyway, let me just start with the room tour first. I have the Oasis room. Okay, this is the Central Hotel by Naumi. Okay, I am familiar with Naumi Hotel because it has a Singapore property, which is a Smaller Street Hotel member. So I'm familiar with the Naumi Hotel group, and that's why I picked this boutique hotel to stay while I'm here in Queenstown. It's a very, very small boutique design hotel. It's very nice decor, but there are a few information that I need you to know. Okay, so let's take a look at the room first. First take, what I see is what you will get. Oasis room. Okay, so you can see they are very detail oriented, very nice, tea cup, glasses, wine glasses, okay, kettle, espresso coffee machine, good selection of tea and coffee. And this is the bathroom. Okay, they have the bathtub, and then they have the shower, and then that is the amenity. The Antipose, which is the amenities that I like. Okay, so they have also the lotion and some additional amenities over here. Somehow they only got a single cup here, but anyway, here is the mini bar. Everything is included. They don't have a lot of selection. They have like 3 soda, a bottle of water, and I think that is milk. Yeah, okay, so that is included, and also some snacks outside is included. Okay, so on this side, okay, the hair dryer is in here. And then this is the wardrobe, which is open with a few hangers. They don't have any bathrobes, and actually out of my surprise they don't have slippers. So this is the only hotel that I stay so far that doesn't provide slipper, but they do have the iron board and luggage rack, etc. Okay, so just take note that they do not have slippers. Okay, so but when you come in here, you can see the design element, that I love. This is how the bed or the bedroom is set up. It's so pretty. Okay, very stylish. They got the Hollywood twin, so you can see it's not one king size bed, but the mattress is definitely put together with very, very thick mattress and nice linen and a nice cozy blanket, which is some kind of a signature of nice boutique hotel. Okay, and then of course, the paintings, the decorations are all very modern and chic. Okay, so this is the area where you can sit and enjoy TV. And this is the work desk or for makeup table and things like that. And they are kind to put in a bottle of wine as a welcome gift for me. Okay, and as I say, in addition to the soda, the snacks are also included. Okay, So basically, you can see that is the room tour. But what I also want to let you know why I walked from the reception is because it is a very small hotel. Actually, the reception closed at 6 o'clock. Okay, so actually they provide us with the code to enter in and then give us instructions to take our key and fill in the registration form and everything. So if you wish to see someone or being checked in by a person, then maybe you should plan to arrive before 6 o'clock. And also there are very limited parking at the hotel, and I have booked in advance to reserve a space for me. So I got my spot right outside, right in front of the hotel, which is nice, $20 per day. Or you can park on the street, which is for free. But when we come in at around 6 o'clock, it's very packed. There's no space around on the Sydney street. So this is something for your consideration. So we all will have breakfast tomorrow morning. So we'll show you what breakfast is like. And I think they also include the happy hours from 6 o'clock and such. I do not know if it's every day or just today, but we miss it for today. So if we have it for tomorrow, we'll show you what it is. So in general, we are quite happy with the room. Oh, and also one thing, they don't have elevator, okay? As you can see, when I do the room tour, I show you the stairs. So we're on the second floor. And then I think there are 4 rooms in the basement area, which you have to go down on the first floor and then other rooms on the second floor. So if you have luggage like us and do not want to carry it, you should request first floor when you make the booking. But other than that, everything is good and dandy. For us, we'll be here for 3 nights. So continue to follow us and we'll show you everything of this really nice boutique hotel in Queenstown, the Naumi, the Central Hotel by Naumi.